Big breaking news that's coming in this afternoon. The Bihar police is planning to issue a lookout notice against Riya Chakrabarti. Bihar police claim that they have found crucial evidence against Riya. The cops have also claimed that they are unable at this point to contact Riya and that she is missing. A Bihar police team went to Riya's house yesterday, but she was not at her residence, and that's why the police is mulling at this point to issue a lookout notice so that they can identify where she is and also summon her for further interrogation. Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, there were several reports that suggested that Riya Chakrabarti was not at her house. That's been confirmed now by the Bihar police. Any information really on her whereabouts at this point?
Well, this is from the sources by the Bihar police, who are clearly saying that they are trying to get in touch with Riya Chakrabarti, but they are unable to do so. Now, there are a few numbers to which people are trying to get in touch with her. We also try to get in touch with Riya Chakrabarti, but they are not responding at the moment. The only claim which they are making from their side is that they will speak at the right time because it is now subjudized, and the lawyers are right now are gone in the Supreme Court of India, where the decision is likely to come by Monday. Now, the Bihar police are claiming that they want to question Riya Chakrabarti because they have some sort of information to which it is very much related to the Sushant Singh Rajput death case now, but they are not been able to get in touch with her. Another important thing which the Bihar police is facing right now is how to go about in this particular case, because they are not getting any local support from the Mumbai police officials. So it's a tough time for the Bihar police right now, and therefore senior police officers from Bihar will be leaving tomorrow and will be in Mumbai by tomorrow afternoon, and they will be assisting the existing Bihar police team who are present over here.
Okay, Saurabh, just stay with us. I also want to take this across to Rohit Kumar. He's getting us all the latest with regards to the investigation by the Bihar police. Rohit, is there any confirmation on this point that we can expect the Bihar police perhaps today to file and issue a lookout notice for Riya?
Well, Akshita, let me give you two things here. First, India Today has spoken to Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and Nitish Kumar has said that if KK Singh, the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, demands a CBI probe in this case, then the Bihar government is willing to order or recommend a CBI probe. So that's the first news that we are getting from the Chief Minister directly, who is closely monitoring this entire case, that he was open to recommending a CBI probe in this case if Sushant's father wants a CBI probe, because remember, till now, no one from the family of Sushant has demanded a CBI probe. They are all pinning their hopes on the Patna police. Now, as far as the lookout notice against Riya Chakrabarti is concerned, for the last 3 days, Patna police is in Mumbai. They are trying to track Riya Chakrabarti. They are calling on her mobile number, but the mobile is off. So the police also went to her house, but she was not available there. So now what we are learning from Bihar police is that they were mulling on the option of issuing a lookout notice against Riya Chakrabarti, and senior sources in the Bihar government have also told that the option of issuing a lookout notice against Riya was open to the Bihar government, to the Bihar police, and they were also mulling on this option. So problems in next few days, we can say, is only going to aggravate and mount for Riya Chakrabarti.
Okay, okay, Rohit, just stay on with us. Saurabh, can you confirm for us, this is the second time that we will be seeing Riya Chakrabarti, if she in fact turns up before the Bihar police, being questioned by them, because, and correct me if I'm wrong, because when the Bihar police team, when they reached Mumbai, they first recorded her statement.
Well, see, Riya is the most important the most important person in this particular case. So Bihar police will want to interrogate her, to question her, because they have lot of information which has been provided by the Sushant Singh Rajput family. Now, like Rohit was mentioning, that how they are the government of Bihar is demanding CBI inquiry, but here in Maharashtra, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray yesterday finally broke his silence and told that there is no need of any other inquiry inquiry. The Mumbai police is very efficient. They have solved so many cases in the past. They have sacrificed their life in Corona, and they are in the right path. If anyone has any information, they should first provide it to Mumbai police. And therefore, right now, the scenario is, Akshita, wherever the Bihar police is going, they want to question anyone. They are not getting any assistance because they are not known so much to this particular place. There are few friends of Sushant Singh Rajput family who were assisting them to go to some of the places. But there too, they were not getting any assistance. They were not getting official permission. So this is the particular case, and like Rohit was mentioning, this is going to just mess up more in the coming days when the senior officers from Bihar come in. Then Mumbai police is still taking time whether or not they should assist Bihar police or not, because right now what we learn from our sources is that they are taking a legal opinion in this case, whether or not they should allow Bihar police to investigate in Mumbai or not. So it will take some time. So the current scenario right now is the investigation is not happening as it should be, when all the witnesses are being questioned twice, by one Mumbai police and other by the Bihar police.
It's unfortunate. You would expect that both police teams actually coordinate and work together to ensure that this investigation is immediately fast-tracked. But what you're seeing is a lot of stumbling blocks between the Bihar police and the Maharashtra police. They're not in sync. They're not working together at this point. Rohit, thank you for joining us. Saurabh, I request you to stay on with us because we're going to focus on that particular clash that we're witnessing between the Bihar and the Mumbai police. There's a lot of back and forth over